The Escambia County Probate Court, an overview. Hi, I'm Darren Findling of the Probate Pro, and we're going to cover the ins and outs of the Escambia County Probate Court. Let's get right at it. The Escambia County Probate Court is located at 190 West Government Street in Pensacola, Florida. As you can see from the map and from the photo of the courthouse, it's a prominent building with a centralized location. Plenty of parking around the building. As with any courthouse, we strongly urge you to leave your house early. Give yourself plenty of time to drive so you can park, make your way through security, and then take a deep breath. We understand that probate-related issues are often stress-induced and filled with a lot of emotion, so give yourself plenty of time to make your way to the courthouse. Like most courthouses, the Escambia County Probate Court is a secured building, which means when you enter, you're going to need to go through security. Most people understand what they can bring through a metal detector and what they can't, but here are some helpful hints. You cannot bring any aerosol, so for example, the breath mint or body sprays, any outside food or alcohol, anything flammable, any recording devices, and one of the things that I find that people often forget are those little nail clippers or Swiss Army style knives that are attached to their keychain. So make sure you check your pocket, check your purse before leaving your car so you don't make your way to the courthouse only to be turned back because you had those items in your pocket. The Escambia County Probate Court, of course, handles probate-related matters. This includes deceased probate estates, trusts, guardianship, and mental health and substance abuse matters. The Escambia County Probate Court is fortunate to have experienced judges serving on behalf of the community and handling the probate docket. The Escambia County Probate Court maintains a really valuable and great website that allows you from the comfort of your home in front of your computer screen to access some really valuable information. For example, court forms, online search of the court docket, as well as frequently asked questions about probate and guardianship related issues. Start by going to the home page, as you can see here from escambiaclerk.com. I've highlighted that with the yellow arrow. In addition, I've put red rectangles around important aspects of the county clerk that will lead you to probate related issues. For example, the court services, the records, as well as the public access search. Let's dig deeper into the website. From here, I'm showing you the guardianship mental health probate page that answers some of the real basic questions about what each of these particular areas of probate are. On the left side, you'll see you can click on guardianship or mental health or probate to get some frequently asked questions as well as court forms. This is another example of a page that just, again, gives you the basics, links you to the Florida statutes, as well as other information, including court forms, probate related. From here, I'm showing you how to get access to court forms. What's nice here is that with probate forms, you can get the form, print it out, review it, make sure you got all the relevant information before, of course, filing it with the probate court. This particular page takes you to the search window to access the online docket and case history for files that are filed within the court system. I've put the yellow arrow next to the particular online records search to begin the search, and here a really kind of clumsy, awkward page that allows you to search by case number, citation number, or the individual's name. In this particular case, I highlighted the name John Smith, and I asked it to only search for probate-related records related to John Smith. Below, they make you answer a basic addition problem for its CAPTCHA. It's a little clumsy the way it's set up, but hopefully you can answer that 57.1 is 58, and then click the search button that will allow you to gain access to any files that contain the search parameters that you've entered. In this particular case, a whole screen comes up. You'll see that the blue represents what we call a hyperlink, which means you can click it to gain additional information related to the file. The most common filing fees in the probate court relate to the opening of a deceased estate, as well as the filing fees for a guardianship related issue. Now understand that these are just the initial filing fees, and there will be expenses or fees throughout the administration depending on what you're doing. In addition, there may be legal expenses if you hire a lawyer to guide you through the process. So it's important to contact the court as well as your lawyer to have a full understanding of the costs and legal fees associated with your particular probate-related issue. The Escambia County Probate Court, as well as the state of Florida, maintain detailed statistics about the case filings that have occurred within the state. This information can be really helpful to understand the volume that is occurring within the Florida court system. This particular graph shows from fiscal year 2009 to fiscal year 2019 the steady growth in filings that have occurred statewide. That's represented by the dark blue line. The trending magenta line shows from 2009 to fiscal year 2019, the last year this information was published, also an increase in the number of dispositions. It makes sense. More filings, more dispositions. Over 133,000 statewide files, as well as 128,000 dispositions occurring within the Florida court system relating to probate. This table represents the breakdown, 59 or so thousand probate estates, 940 trusts, as well as a little less than 8,000 guardianship-related matters. The Florida court system is busy. This pie graph shows that probate represents a little less than 50% of those filings, commitment acts, mental health, substance abuse, 44%, and guardianships a little less than 6%. This pie graph really dispels a common misconception. Most probate-related matters do not end in a dramatic jury trial like you see on the movies and in television, but rather 43.6% are disposed even before the first hearing, 46.7% disposed of by a judge with no trial, and a little less than 4% are disposed by a non-jury bench or judge trial. Very few proceed in the matter you see on television. This particular table reflects specifically Escambia County's volume within the probate-related area. So you can see 1,069 were filed probate-related matters for trusts, 1,501 commitment acts, 110 guardianships, and in total, a little less than 2,700 total probate-related filings in fiscal year 2019. So what can you discern or take from this? The probate court is a busy courthouse. To navigate through this process and the complexity and the volume, we really urge you to hire a skilled, competent probate lawyer. At the Probate Pro, we're passionate about probate-related issues. If you have questions about the Escambia County Probate Court or any probate court, give us a call at 1-833-PROBATE or visit us at theprobatepro.com.